What does STEAM mean?
Steam.
STEAM.
Something, water that's going really, really hot and it goes into the atmosphere and creates clouds. And then the clouds get too heavy and then the rain falls.
Tell me, what is STEAM?
Robot.
We're a STEAM school here at Pioneer. What does that mean?
Science, technology, engineering, art, and math.
S is for science, T is for technology, E is for engineering, A is for art, and M is for math.
I love it. What's your favorite one?
Art.
I think of it as fun in science.
What does STEAM mean to you?
STEAM there's lots of different things. To me personally, it's kind of like one of the fun things about our school. It's like all these different ways of learning and making new things in our community.
Hey, what does launch mean?
It means like if something's about to take off.
Tell me what launch means.
Launch means like that.
What does launch mean at Pioneer?
Launch is the steps to building a prototype, and we use it every day as engineers.
What about the launch cycle?
The launch cycle, I used it a lot of times. Like when I made that willow tree, I just made a log, but then I made it into a house. And then I made my Rockalo costume, and I showed everyone in the class. So I technically used the launch cycle.
What made you excited about coming to Pioneer?
Doing free toys.
What makes you want to come to Pioneer each day?
That there's a lot of hands-on projects instead of staying at desks all day. I have a bunch of friends here and everybody's really nice.
I get to learn and make new friends.
What's a job someday that you think you'll be really good at?
Maybe football, because I played football when I'm a kid.
To all that you're learning at Pioneer, what's a job that you might be really good at one day?
An art teacher. We just need to do 3 things. Be respectful, responsible, and safe.
What does it mean to be a Pathfinder?
Pathfinder, it's basically we always find our way.